video presentation, export trade finance options. The trade finance arena creates a great variety of opportunity for financing across the lifespan of a transaction. Funds can be borrowed from financial institutions or deals can be structured in such a way that one party is in effect financing the other through the terms of their contract. Trade finance instruments are often very flexible and versatile. Sometimes specific product, service, or instruments of variation or existing ones are created to meet the needs of a particular industry, regions, or circumstances. So you can be very dynamic in financing trade. If you're financing a trade transaction, if someone is building a machinery, he wants to export, but building a machinery, it's an exporter. But he's building a machinery to process. This person has history of exporting before, but he processes this product through another person. But now he wants to begin to still do the same export. But building machinery, the bank can easily finance the machinery because he has an export order. And since he's a performer in the past, they will do lease financing for him. They give him the product on lease. So he brings in the product still owned by the bank, and then he has order to get product, process the product now by himself. Now he's making more profit because he's incurring less cost of processing, and then ship the goods out. As the money is coming, the bank is taking their own cost. The money is coming, the bank is taking their own cost. Before you know it, he has finished paying for the machine is at ease now. Then he can continue the business. So the different way you can structure this loan for exporters. So it's very dynamic. And it's good the account officer, the banker, understand how to structure this this financing to be able to meet the exporter's demand and of course make money for the bank. So everyday finance instrument, you can use factoring, you can use invoice discounting, you can use forfeiting, you can use export credit insurance and the like. Now let's look at factoring. For every banker listening to this DVD, watching this DVD at this point, I want to appeal to you. If you can just try to read more about this after you have listened to this DVD and see how you can come up with this product. If you can come up with this finance product, you make a lot of money from exporters in Nigeria. They need factoring to be able to improve their cash flow. But a lot of bankers don't even understand what factoring is all about, which is not a sin because you're not a trade finance specialist. But the essence of this DVD is to be able to train you to be able to understand what factoring is all about. Even for you as an exporter, to be able to tell your banker, look, why don't you do factoring for me? Why don't you? So you should be able to know what are the things the bank can do to finance you that they won't be asking for collateral.